The Houston port is really a hub for the nation when it comes to breakbulk.
Breakbulk cargo is any kind of cargo that we handle that does not go into containers.
We have different commodities that come through here, and every single one is treated in a different way. You have steel, you have lumber, you have grain.
It's the energy capital of the world. We handle a lot of oil well supply type products, both coming into the United States and exporting out.
We export a lot of agricultural equipment, tractors, mining equipment, windmill blades.
In the turning basin here, we have 32 docks, either warehouse sheds or open docks to handle all types of cargo.
Breakbulk cargo is not easy. It's a tough job.
The hardest thing about the waterfront is the elements. When it's hot, it's hot. When it's cold, it's cold. When it's raining, it's raining. We work anywhere from 12 to 20 hours a day.
There's millions and millions of tons of cargo that come across these docks in Houston.
There are commodities that you can't automate, and this is one of them. You need to have hands-on, you need to have high-skilled operators in the winch, you got to have truck drivers.
I like to refer to this port as the port that built the city that built the port. The Port of Houston goes back to 1914 when it was officially opened, but prior to that, it was a bayou channel and was serviced by small watercraft. The port was originally a cotton facility and has grown from that and evolved.
I came here in 1959, and 99% of the cargo handled in Houston was breakbulk cargo.
From the cotton to the coffees to the food products, fresh fruit.
Before there was containerization, all cargoes were dealt with manually by hand.
If it wasn't because of what the longshoremen did 100+ years ago, we wouldn't be where we're at right now.
In Houston, because of the breakbulk cargo, we've achieved 2.1 million man-hours in the last calendar year worked on these very city docks. That's a lot of job opportunities for a lot of citizens in this community.
I am a third-generation longshoreman, so I came in after my grandfather and my father.
This job is my everything. I started in the early 90s as a hatch checker, and I pretty much worked in every position.
I started as a single mother. It's a great career. Everybody takes care of each other.
I've been here 26 years. First job, only job. I love the ILA.
This is a training ground. It allows our new members to come in to get acquainted with how the waterfront works, the safety procedures, and get the opportunity to drive machines.
Everybody starts here in the city docks, you know, and once they move on from the city docks with seniority, they move out to Barbers Cut Bayport on the container side of the business.
In the breakbulk arena, you got to stay competitive. We got to have the can-do to stay successful.
It's a challenge every day.
Your average ship come in, we work 50 to 60 guys on the ship at a time.
We make sure that the cargo that comes in is loaded out correctly onto trucks.
We have hundreds of acres of area behind the waterside location that we call laydown yards. And those laydown yards will hold pipe, aluminum products, steel bars, plate steel. You'll see wood products, acres and acres of bundled 2x4s, rolling equipment, heavy equipment. There's some pieces here that are over 130,000 tons.
Because of what we do, the whole country can actually continue to grow.
Breakbulk cargo is, in a lot of ways, the lifeblood of America.
With the man hours that our men and women are able to work, they qualify for the benefits that we offer, and to me, that's the best part that we have.
Breakbulk cargo has allowed us to grow our union substantially. We're very happy to have it, and we'll take all of it we can get.
There's going to be a lot of positive opportunities here as the cargo volumes grow and increase, and we're always seeking new products to place on our docks and handle for the city of Houston.
We didn't get over 2 million man-hours saying what we can't do. We got 2 million man-hours saying what we can do.
My younger people coming up, you know, it gives them a great opportunity to make money.
I think breakbulk is something that's going to be around for a long, long time. It's the future.
There will always be breakbulk, and those opportunities will always be here.